I was fine, I was okay. I was healing till you launched your cannons my way. The notes rained out, the words hit hard, and these walls fell back to ruins. Now I lay in their remains, desperate for closure. You left this open-ended, nothing's mended, nothing's changed, still estranged, so strange. So tell me what you want from me, or just set me free, and I'll tell my love, let you go. Tell me what you need of me, and I'll try my best to give it or give it up. I don't want your sugar coats, just give it to me straight, no chaser. I don't want your sugar coats, I take my love straight, no chaser. Thought they were gone, long extinct, banished from my mind, but my guitar said otherwise. They're crawling out, I'm caving in, and these butterflies thrive inside, keeping hope alive. I'm so desperate for sunlight. There's been so much rain, so much pain, so much fear. I just want you near, get here. Tell me what you want from me, or just set me free, and I'll tell my love, let you go. Tell me what you need of me, and I'll try my best to give it or give it up. I don't want your sugar coats, just give it to me straight, no chaser. I don't want your sugar coats, I take my love straight, no chaser. If you hate me, then leave me. If you love me, then kiss me. There's no in between here, I draw the line. In or out, left or right, up is down. I can't keep chasing you around if you don't know where I'm going. That's where I stand, but what I don't understand is if this is love, if this is love, if this is love, if this is love, if I'm in 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 love. Why do I feel so alone? Tell me what you want from me, or just set me free, and I'll tell my love, let you go. Tell me what you need of me, and I'll try my best to give it or give it up. I don't want your sugar coats, just give it to me straight, no chaser. I don't want your sugar coats, I take my love straight, no chaser. I don't want your sugar coats, just give me love straight, no chaser.